Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about some of the popular cooking techniques in the world. Let us start with the first one. First one is baking. In that food is baked like in oven or any other utensil. In baking, food is heated using like electricity or the gas or any other mechanism. Next is boiling. In boiling, what we do is we just boil the food using water and by adding another liquid in that. Next is barbecuing. In barbecuing, there are several types. Barbecuing, the term actually means that the process or the technique of preparing the food using roasting, grilling, then using tandoor, or it's also called as oven, then smoking, and that can be done using electricity, gas, or the charcoal as well. So that is called as barbecuing. Next is technique is deep frying or the shallow frying. In that, what happens is that we add the oil in the pan and then add the food like chicken or something, and then we fry that particular. So there are two types in that: deep frying and shallow frying. In deep frying, what happens is that entire food item is dipped or immersed in the liquid or the oil, but in shallow frying, only the lower portion of that food is comes into contact with the oil. So that's the difference between deep frying and shallow frying. Next one is microwave cooking. Very simple. Microwave is one home appliance or the utensil, and what we can do is we can just put some food items in that, and then using electricity that food will be heated. Next one is sautéing. In the sautéing, what happens is that we fry the food items or vegetables for very short period of time, just until it gets some brownish color, just until the texture of the vegetables or the food changes a little bit. The next one is pressure cooking. Pressure cooking is very popular in India. They generally use the one utensil called as pressure cooker. In that, food is put and then heated. With pressure cooker, because of the hot air pressure, the food is cooked very fast. And apart from India, in all over the world also, there are a lot of utensils that people use and do this pressure cooking. Next one is stir frying. It is similar to the frying, but difference is that when you are frying the items, you have to just stir it continuously so that all the parts of the vegetables or the food will be fried properly. Next one is sprouting. In that, what happens is that the seeds of some of the plants are like germinated, and then we can cook them. And next one is the final is coddling. In that, what happens is that we heat the food items in the water, but the boiling point or the temperature of the water is kept below 100 degrees Celsius. So that is called as coddling. So all these methods are very popular. If you think that I have missed any of the cooking method in here, let me know to the comments. Thanks for watching this video.